Hello, welcome back to my channel. On my channel today, I will be showing you a very simple step you can use to create a very beautiful YouTube thumbnail. And you know what? This is actually free and very stress-free. So what you are going to do is, let's say you have been eyeing one particular YouTube thumbnail that you have been craving and trying to know how you can create this same thumbnail. What you are going to do is you are going to go to that YouTube thumbnail and you are going to screenshot the thumbnail. On my YouTube channel, I'm using this first YouTube thumbnail as an example. So what I did was I screenshot the YouTube thumbnail, and once you screenshot it, what you are going to do is you are going to edit the screenshot. You are going to cut out all the leftovers beside it, all the extras beside it. You are going to cut everything out till it is left with this YouTube thumbnail. That is exactly what I am doing in this video. So once you cut everything out, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to save it. And once you click on save, automatically it will be in your gallery, your picture gallery. So now that you have saved it, you have it in your YouTube gallery, you have the example of the kind of YouTube thumbnail you would like to create. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Gemini app. With this Gemini app, you can create anything at all you want. This is the Gemini app. This one is different from Gemini Business, in case you watch my previous video. To get this Gemini, just go to your Play Store and click on Gemini. You're going to see it, click on download, register with it, and here we are in the Gemini app. So what you're going to do now is you're going to tell this Gemini exactly what you want it to do for you. If you want to create image, you want to create music, you want to learn anything or write anything, so that is exactly what you're going to tell the Gemini to do for you. So here now we want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So here I say, hello Gemini, please. You're going to tell Gemini exactly everything you want it to do for you. Just see what I am doing here now. So I type, hello Gemini, kindly help me create beautiful YouTube thumbnail using this as an example. Do you remember the YouTube thumbnail with screenshots a while ago? So I said, help me create beautiful YouTube thumbnail using this as an example. So once you using this, you need to give Gemini the one you want it to use as an example. So you are going to click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, it will take you to your gallery. Then you're going to select the YouTube thumbnail we screenshotted and the one we edited. So you are going to give it to Gemini. That is what he's going to use as an example. So now you are telling Gemini to use that one as an example to help you create your own. So you already told Gemini to use that one as an example. At the same time, you are going to tell Gemini to use your own picture using this as an example, but with my own picture. So with my own picture, you are going to give Gemini your own picture again. So you're going to click on the plus sign again, and it will also take you to your gallery to select the picture you want Gemini to use for you. So now you've given Gemini the example of the thumbnail you want, and you've also given it the picture you want it to use for you. So you're going to tell Gemini to I wanted to type let there be a slight difference before, but I just want you guys to see that Gemini can give you the exact thumbnail you want YouTube to generate for you. So that's why I selected that, and I just put let it be bold, clear and beautiful. So after you are done with with your description, the description of what you want Gemini to do for you, you are going to click on done. When you click on done, you see this particular arrow here. You are going to click on send. So once you click on it, it means you already sent the message. So now we are going to wait and see what Gemini is going to create for us. Yeah, you can see it is loading. That means it's creating what exactly you want it to create for you. Can you see what it generated for us? I don't know if you can see the example we gave to Gemini and you see what it also gave to us. So to make it a slight difference so that it won't be like a direct copy, you can tell Gemini to do that for you as well. So I'm going to tell Gemini to make a little different, to make the YouTube thumbnail a little different so that it will not be like a direct copy from this one that we did, from the one that we copied. So what you're going to do is you're going to long press the message you sent to Gemini in the first place, and you're going to edit it where you want your editing to be. Maybe you want to add something or you want to delete something. So here I told Gemini to let the background be different, and I also say the picture should be by the left hand side. If you look at the first picture we created, the first YouTube thumbnail we created, the picture was by the right side. So now I'm telling Gemini to make the picture to be by the left hand side instead of the right. You know, from the YouTube thumbnail we copied, the picture was by the right hand side. So that is why Gemini create exactly what we asked it to create. So it also put my picture by the right hand side. So I'm telling Gemini now to let the picture be by the left instead of the right. So I also said let it be more unique than the first thumbnail. So now what we are going to do is once you are done with your editing, anything you want to add, once you are done with it, we are going to click on done, and you also click on the arrow again so that Gemini will create your image for you. So thank you. Let the background be big screen. So I've sent it now. So now let's wait and see what Gemini is creating for us. Okay, let's wait and see what Gemini is creating for us. I think the network is fluctuating. My network is fluctuating. That's why it shows your network connection. But now I've clicked on retry. So now let's see. So this is the first one. Okay, the network didn't go in the first place. This is the first one it generated for us. So let me type it again and see what is going. So this is the first one by the picture was by the right hand side, and this is the new one Gemini just created for us. So if you also look at it, the background is also different from the one it created first. Can you see now that this is not a direct copy? There is a little different. So you can use this to create any YouTube thumbnail you want. Once just click on it, copy it, um edit it, cut it out, and just bring it to Gemini and tell Gemini to create exactly how you want your own to be. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you to you. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.